गुड इवनिंग। देखिए, द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट या पार्ट्स ऑफ द सर्कल। एक ही वीडियो में हम इसके सारे पार्ट्स को समझ लेते हैं। ठीक है, देखिए सेंटर क्या होता है। सबसे पहला पॉइंट आता है सेंटर। सेंटर सेंटर इज द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर ऑल द पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑल द पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस आर इक्वल डिस्टेंस। यानी कि सेंटर वो केंद्र बिंदु है जिससे इसकी परिधि पर जितने भी सारे पॉइंट हैं वो समान दूरी पर रहते हैं। ठीक है, दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल। ठीक है, सेकंड पॉइंट रेडियस। रेडियस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सेंटर एंड द पॉइंट्स एनी पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस। तो दिस डिस्टेंस सेंटर टू सर्कमफेरेंस दिस इज कॉल्ड रेडियस। ओके, थर्ड पॉइंट डायमीटर। Diameter is the largest chord or the distance of the 2 points on the circumference that passes through the center. यानी कि this is the line that passes through the center. One point is here, second point here, but the condition is the line passes through the center, and that is called diameter. And diameter is the twice of the radius. ठीक है। Fourth point, circumference. Circumference is the total distance of the periphery of the circle. This is the total distance that is called circumference, and that's value is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference. Chord. Chord is the any line that touches 2 points on the circle. That's this is one point, this is another point. The line meeting this point A or B, this is called chord, and the largest chord of the circle is diameter. Okay, this is largest chord, and the definition is the 2 points on the circumference meeting to each other. This is called chord. Arc. Arc is the any distance on the circumference, like point A to B. This is called arc. Otherwise दूसरे पॉइंट्स बोलेंगे the angle made by the two radius, that is called arc. Theta is the arc. Sector. Sector is the area covered by the two radius and the arc. This is one radius, this is another radius, and this circumference length is called arc, and the area covered from two radius and arc is called sector. Segment. Segment is the area between chord, this is chord, and arc. Only this portion of the area is called segment. Tangent. Tangent is a line that touches the circumference of the circle, that is called tangent. And last is secant. Secant is the line that crosses or intersect the circle at 2 points. This line is called secant, and that crosses or intersect at 2 points. Okay, all the parts of the circle is clear. Thank you.